We came to Guatemala, and with along the adventure came ice cream, pizza, and way too many desserts. We're not moderation people. It just doesn't work for us.
So, for the next 3 months, we'll be taking on keto. Because like Randy always says, we have the choice whether to wear hiking shoes or hospital shoes.
You got that right.
Since moving to Guatemala, we have loved the adventure, but we have also been making some foolish choices. Sweets, desserts, ice cream, pizza, you name it. We are not the kind of people who can do everything in moderation, you know what I'm saying? That just doesn't work for us. But we are at the age that we need to be more conscious about our health and make better decisions. It's not forever, but for the next 3 months, we will be doing a keto reset. As a tool to get rid of the extra weight, rebuild strength, and renew control. Because, like Randy always says, it's your choice. Do you want to be wearing hiking boots or hospital shoes? Welcome to Roots, Ruts and Rocks. We are in our usual beautiful spot at Finca El Pilar, doing our usual hike. We try to do this one once a week, and if we could, twice a week. But that doesn't happen too often. We wanted to welcome you to another episode, and today we have a challenge, not for you, but for Randy and Zazie. I don't know if you have noticed in the last videos, but none of our friends have been courageous enough to let us know that we are overweight. But we don't need it because we know. So yesterday, 3 days ago, started again with the all good keto diet. And I want you to keep us accountable.
Pray for us.
Pray for us.
It's not a diet, it's a keto lifestyle, a keto menu.
Correct. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. And we are starting to track what we eat, staying away from as many carbs as possible. It's not possible unless you're in a carnivore diet. Yeah, it's hard.
It's hard.
But I don't want to talk about it.
I don't want to talk about it.
We're just going to do keto.
Right. Tell us your favorite keto menu or meal. We'd like to hear from you.
Yeah. So the reason why we are doing this video is because we want you to keep us accountable and pray for us. And think about us every time that you see our fat videos. But we will come out stronger and leaner. Why do we think it is important to lose weight? And it's not even about the weight, okay? It's not about the weight. The more fat that we carry in our midsection is the most unhealthy weight that you can have. Because if you show it in your gut, chances are you already have a lot of fat in your organs. And that is not good, especially at our age. You know, Randy and I were talking about when we were in our 30s, how easy it was to lose the fat and to eat recklessly and eat all kinds of stuff. And now that we're in our 60s, it shows. It shows in our energy level. It shows in our...
Shows in our closet.
And you know, I was refusing to get fat clothes. So I'm still wearing my medium-sized clothes. And this came at the right time because I was at that point where it was uncomfortable to wear the same clothes. So I look forward to go and buy me skinny clothes again. In about 3 months, we'll be ready to do that.
One day at a time. One
Yes.
moment at a time.
Yes, but I like to have the eye on the goal. That motivates me. I know one day at a time.
One meal at a time.
One menu.
One hunger pain. One menu.
Actually, we're not hungry at all.
We just eat. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. Let's eat.
Yeah, that's another thing that we need to learn this time, to eat only when we're hungry. If it works the same way it worked for me in my 50s, it'll be a one-time-a-day deal that we will get hungry. And sometimes we will just eat because we have to, not because we are hungry.
Because we'll be hungry in an hour, and there won't be any good food in an hour or two.
I remember I was not even hungry when I was doing keto. So I'm expecting that to happen now in the 60s. We'll see. So I'll keep you updated. If you're liking this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you much, and it makes our YouTube channel have more presence and grow, which is what we want, really. Deep in our heart, we really want our YouTube channel to grow. I heard a lot of people saying that keto is unhealthy. Don't do it because it's not natural. And I would like to remind those who think like that, it's just a tool. It's not something that we're going to do forever. It's just a tool to regain control over our eating habits, over our consumption of the fat that is in our body. So the way it works is when you don't have carbohydrates in your system and you're exercising, the body needs to pull energy from somewhere. And energy is also generated by fats. So it's either carbs or fats. And guess what we have plenty of for our body to subsist? Lots of fat. So the beauty of it is that when you're exercising, your mitochondria works like a beautiful machine to get rid of all the unnecessary junk and toxins that you have in your cell. And also getting rid of all that fat, all that toxic stuff we have inside.
This journey isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices, one step at a time. For us, keto is just the tool, but the real goal is living strong enough to keep hiking, traveling, and enjoying life.
We'd love for you to walk this road with us. Share your own story, your challenges, your victories in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe and join us for the ups and the downs and the real moments along the way. Because remember, the choice is yours. Hiking shoes or hospital shoes.
Well, friends, this is a wrap for this adventure. Thank you for hanging out with us.
Okay.
And don't forget, stay strong,
Stay curious.
stay adventurous.
Come
Here,
visit us, family.
come back to Roots, Ruts, and Rocks. See you next time.